Right here, Daisy's working on the place command. So place is used for eventually having Daisy go. She'll lay down on an object and stay there and chill out. So here, Katie's telling her, let's go. That gives her permission to get off. She's going to work on it down on the floor. It's different on the floor than it is on a cot or a bed. And now she's going to tell her break. Break is a release word from all of her commands. And then she tells her place again. She waits a second for Daisy to see if she'll down on her own, what she did. So she says yes, which is a marker word for you're doing what I want. And here she's practicing a little bit more down on the floor. So you're going to help Daisy by luring her, taking the food from directly into the floor and kind of into her chest to help her go in and down. So you'll say down and then lure her down. And then when you're ready for her to move, you're going to say break. If you want her to stay there a little longer, you're just going to say yes and give her some food. And here's Katie just practicing a little bit more. And you'll see Daisy's staying in a down and Katie is rewarding her. She says yes, and she hands her some kibble. She's only just using her kibble. Here she's going to work on, I believe, some sits. Daisy came to us already with a pretty good solid sit, so we just added in break so that she knows when to start moving. And then here she's luring her into heel position. So this is a position that we like the dogs to be in when they're walking beside of us. This takes quite a while to master. So right here you just see Katie keeping some of Daisy's kibble right by her nose and then moving forward. So if you pull the food up too high, Daisy will bounce around. You just want to do these in small little increments, and eventually Daisy will start walking next to you. Here she's going to work on recall, which is just calling Daisy to you. You're going to say, Daisy, come. Daisy should come in front of you. Ask her to sit if she doesn't, and then offer her some kibble. We are just using Daisy kibble, so she works just fine for that. Here she's a little hesitant. She's just like, I'll sit here, thank you. Katie encourages her to come in and rewards her again for coming in front of her. Here you're going to see Daisy. These are body checks. This is what you're going to use at the vet. This is Daisy's least favorite thing to do, so she's going to need lots more practice with this. But overall, she did a great job.